before I forget, I actually planted what's called I want to say it's Malabar spinach about a day or two ago, but I just read the instructions. They need to come from the shade. They actually need sun, so I'm going to move them over here next to the cucumber slash watermelon that I have going up the trellis. So stay tuned. It's right here. Yep. That's it. So I'm going to move this because this actually is going to trellis. It needs a trellis because it's gonna kind of like vine, similar to these peas here. All right. I think this is a good spot. So let me come around here. It actually looked like somebody came up in here, an animal, more than likely, dug up my stuff. So, get rid of some of these weeds. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not. And I'm actually going to be planting more of this spinach red Malabar. I'm saying it correctly. I'm going to be planting more today, seed-wise. Because the ones that I did attempt to grow did not germinate. So 1 out of 6 germinated, and that's that. And it is a type of spinach. Like I said, it actually needs the sun. It's a hot weather plant, so, and it's gonna vine all the way up the trellis. All right. Okay. So, change of plans. I'm gonna get this basil in the ground. This basil is needing to be planted as soon as possible. I'm gonna plant these over there with the tomatoes. A whole bunch of it, see? A whole lot of it. It smells amazing. Okay. So, let's get these in the ground. And actually, let me back up. I do have some sage here. Right there and right there. So I mixed them in there. There's another one here. Sage. Okay? Okay, see the sage there? Yes, here's the sage. I'm doing a retake in case I didn't catch it on camera. There's the sage. And then I have, what did I say, 2 more? 1 and 2 by my thumb. 1 and 2. Okay, here are my basil and a couple sage in there. So what I decided to do, I'm not going to put them all in here. I'm going to just kind of sporadically put them in, especially in places where the tomatoes did not germinate. I will put basil there. I will also cut more holes in this landscaping tarp. Just to kind of spread them out. And then I decided, you know what? I have so much basil here. I'm going to put some with the peppers in the distance, and with the okra, and in with the corn, and a few more with the greens that I have. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So let me go ahead and get started. Quite dry, and I gotta hurry because it's getting hot out here. I need to show you something. Somebody is in here destroying my tomato plants. I'm going to get rid of him, but I want to show you this hornworm. It's quite small yet, but I'm looking at my plant and trying to figure out why it looks so tore up. Right here. Let's try to zoom in so you can see him. I mean, having a grand old time. You see him? That little green thing right there you're looking at is a hornworm. Just having a feast on my hard work. I mean, look at what it did to my plant. No, sir, you may not. Look at that. That's a hornworm. Kind of small, but you're not going to be enjoying this anymore. That's a hornworm. They're the enemy. Yep. They do get bigger, so now I have to go back through here and make sure I don't have any more in here, because they will take a whole tomato plant out in a short amount of time.